Hey guys, Justin here, Battle Brothers Tactical. Wanted to bring something up. I'd spoken with one of my customers this week, and he brought up a point that we ended up having a pretty good discussion about. That's the Castle Doctrine, or the Stand Your Ground Law. Now, in the state of Wisconsin, we do have a Stand Your Ground Castle Doctrine. And I went online and I went to Wisconsin legislature and printed it out. And I just want to read to you what the law states as best as I can. So it says, if an actor intentionally used force that was intended or likely to cause death or great bodily harm, the court may not consider whether the actor had an opportunity to flee or retreat before he or she used force, and shall presume that the actor reasonably believed that the force was necessary to prevent imminent death or great bodily harm to himself or herself, if the actor makes such a claim under subsection 1 and either of the following applies. So then it goes on to describe dwelling, the meaning of dwelling, and places of business. Now, what does this mean? In layman's terms, it means that you don't have to retreat. Now, I teach concealed carry, it's what I do, but I'm going to say it's always going to look better if you try to avoid the situation and or get away from the situation. Of course, I will also tell you to speak with an attorney to get further definition and explanation. However, but I wanted to bring this up because we were talking about having concealed carry insurance, such as the USCCA or some of the others that are out there. There are several that are really good. I personally use USCCA. That's who I got my certifications through to be an instructor. I find their package and their program to be the best out there, in my personal opinion. Of course, you know, it's always subject to everybody's interpretation of whatever their package is and how it fits their needs. But I wanted to bring that up. I will say, after reading this, it did give some more clarity. For instance, under dwelling, the person against whom the force was used was in the process of unlawfully and forcibly entering the actor's dwelling, motor vehicle, or place of business. The actor was present in the dwelling, motor vehicle, or place of business, and the actor knew or reasonably believed that an unlawful and forcible entry was occurring. Second part of that is the person against whom the force was used was in the actor's dwelling, motor vehicle, or place of business after unlawfully and forcibly entering it. The actor was present in the dwelling, motor vehicle, or place of business, and the actor knew or reasonably believed that the person had unlawfully and forcibly entered the dwelling, motor vehicle, or place of business. So, you know, you need to read and understand the laws pertaining to you carrying a firearm in self-defense. This is just one part of the whole picture. I would definitely, you know, if you are going to carry, sign up with somebody that has concealed coverage insurance, for lack of a better word, and I would speak with an attorney so you can get better clarification, because at the end of the day, you may think you know what's going on, but if you don't have the knowledge and you make a bad choice, it's going to affect you mentally, it's going to affect you emotionally, it's going to affect you financially. So I encourage everybody to carry. I encourage everybody to get trained. And part of the training is being aware of your laws in your state. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, 920-810-8904. I'm more than happy to help you out with anything you have questions about. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.